This young girl was about to steal his brother's candy, but she remembered that the last time that happened, it went terribly wrong, so she decided to take all the candy, and she melted all of it. But what happens next is insane. You will be surprised. But quick.
Choose a car to escape a zombie apocalypse. Green car, ignore this video. Tesla, Cybertruck, leave a like. Army tank, subscribe. Bugatti, comment that you love your mom. A monster truck, do everything. But what is your favorite vehicle?
She placed the melted candy on a huge gummy bear maker, and it came out amazing.